Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling dark mode on the Facebook app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the three lines button at the bottom right of the homepage. If you are on Android, then the three lines button will be at the top right of the page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Dark Mode. Switch the setting to On. Dark mode will now be enabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.